Hey friends, if you wish to change the lock screen background on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the personalization tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane select lock screen. Now, there is an option here which says personalize your lock screen. So it is selected at Windows Spotlight, which means that it would keep changing the background every day, but you can also select a certain picture and then set that certain picture as the lock screen background, and that will be static. Or you can also select a slideshow or pictures, though I prefer to keep it as a static picture, but you can choose whatever you like. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.